In today's video, I'm going to teach you 2 easy ways to indent text in Google Sheets. If you've ever looked for an indent button in Google Sheets, you've probably noticed it doesn't exist, but you can still create clean, professional hierarchy in your data without hammering the spacebar. I'll show you 2 simple approaches that keep your sheet tidy, consistent, and easy to work with. First, the most professional method, custom number formatting. Start by selecting the cells you want to indent. Go to the Format menu, choose Number, then scroll down to Custom Number Format. In the box that appears, type a few spaces followed by the @ symbol. That's the character that tells Google Sheets to display your text content. When you apply this, the text in those cells is nudged to the right, creating a neat indent. The best part is that this doesn't change your underlying data at all. Your values remain exactly the same. So, searching, sorting, filtering, and formulas continue to work perfectly. You're only changing how the content looks, not what it is. If you want a deeper indent, add a couple more spaces before the @ symbol. You can even set up a few variations with different amounts of spacing and apply them to different levels in your list for a clear visual hierarchy. And if you ever want to remove the indent, just return to the number options and switch back to automatic or your original format. Now, for the second method, ideal when you have a lot of items to organize, use a helper column. Insert a new column directly to the left of your list. Then grab the column boundary and drag it until it's very narrow. This skinny column becomes a visual margin for your sub-items. It creates consistent space at the left edge that you can quickly adjust for your entire sheet by widening or narrowing that one column. Because you're not adding extra spaces inside the cells themselves, your data stays clean and sortable, and you avoid the headaches that come with manual spacing. This is especially helpful when you're building multi-level lists, outlining projects, or grouping related entries. If you need a little more cushion for certain sections, just tweak the width of that helper column, and the change applies everywhere at once. To wrap up, use custom number formatting when you want a true display-only indent that keeps your data pristine, and use a helper column when you want a flexible, sheet-wide margin you can adjust in one move. Both options give you a professional look without breaking your data or your workflow.